What if I told you you could make a roasted tomato and red pepper sauce in your air fryer in less time than it takes to cook the noodles? Yep, it's that easy. We only need a handful of ingredients and almost no effort. First, smash 4 to 6 garlic cloves and cut off the ends. Now, grab a red pepper and cut it like this for a no-mess hack.
Yay!
Cut up a small onion and boom, the heavy lifting is done. Toss in 1 pound of the reddest, sweetest little tomatoes you can find. Then all your veggies and 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, and in we go. At the halfway point, give it a good mix and add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, and just a pinch of crushed red pepper. We're 1 step away from greatness. Grab your weapon of choice, blender, food processor, immersion blender, or even a masher. Now give it a taste. If it's not amazing, it needs more salt. I threw a 1/4 teaspoon into mine. If you're making pasta, pull it 1 minute early, add a splash of pasta water and some sauce, and finish that last minute on the stove. Look at that. Not just easy, friggin' delicious. Want something more classic? Check out my video for air fryer tomato basil sauce. And don't go far, I've got another air fryer banger dropping later this week. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.